Soft electric guitar chords with distant keyboard, gentle hums that create a reflective atmosphere. On the shore, where the waves meet the sand, traces of journeys carved by hand. The voices of ages linger in the air, stories of longing carried everywhere. The tides are restless, they ebb and flow, leading us places we may not know. Our paths are written in the earth below, the winds are guiding where we need to go. We are the wandering tides, moving with hearts open wide, seeking the spaces where we can belong, flowing together like an endless song. Through the hills, where the trees softly speak, whispers of answers that we seek. Every shadow holds a piece of the truth, an echo of time that leads back to youth. The tides are restless, they ebb and flow, guiding the path that we'll come to know. Through winding rivers and open seas, we find our strength in the harmony. We are the wandering tides, moving with hearts open wide, seeking the spaces where we can belong, flowing together like an endless song. If the waves should rise and pull us apart, we'll follow the currents that connect our hearts. No matter how far the horizon appears, we find our strength in the harmony. If the waves should rise and pull us apart, we'll follow the currents that connect our hearts. No matter how far the horizon appears, our souls will unite as the path clears. We are the wandering tides, guided by stars in the night. We'll find spaces where we can belong, together forever in an endless song. We are the wandering tides, moving with hearts open wide. The ocean hums as it cradles our dreams, a lullaby flowing through air.